Civil procedure and filing rules are outside of our control, but tools like Leap and InfoTrack simplify how we manage our clients' cases. This webinar will demonstrate how Leap and InfoTrack work together to streamline the complicated, time-consuming manual tasks relevant to e-filing. To do so, we will follow the story of Sally Penfold, a plaintiff navigating a messy, contested divorce in New York. Sally chose to work with Clarissa Nichols, an attorney at SRM Law. As the case moves forward, we will consider how different practice and case management tools affect both Sally's experience as the client and Clarissa's experience as the attorney. Overall, Sally wants to buy legal services the way she buys other services, mainly from responsive professionals with accessible online tools. SRM Law wants to keep their legal operations simple by avoiding duplicate data entry and manual errors, all while keeping Sally's information safe and secure. Like all stories, Sally's has a beginning, middle, and end. First, we will discuss how Leap facilitates intake, helps law firms standardize their processes and legal content with document automation, and gives law firms and their clients the tools to collaborate. Second, we will take a close look at how InfoTrack streamlines e-filing and docket management. And third, we will see how InfoTrack and Leap work together to meet additional case management, e-billing, and online payment needs. When the case begins, our plaintiff, Sally, has already had to make some hard personal decisions. She likely found instructions on nycourts.gov, and she already knows that because she and her spouse do not agree on how to allocate their property after the divorce, they will have a contested divorce proceeding, or what New York calls a contested matrimonial case. Sally gets her case started quickly. SRM Law uses the information Sally provided to automate initial case management and avoid transcription errors and also wasted time. Once the matter is created, Clarissa can quickly prepare her standard fee agreement by clicking the respective template and making any tweaks for Sally's particular case. Sally's information was already in Leap, so Clarissa spent time improving the content rather than typing it from scratch. Clarissa clicks Time Save and Close to both save the document to Leap and also to record the time she spent on the document. Clarissa then clicks to prepare her standard welcome email. The template has been designed to automatically pull in the client's name, the matter type and title, the current Leap user's information, in this case, attorney Clarissa Nichols' details, and the firm's information. SRM Law has also used the initial email as an opportunity to ensure their clients are up and running with LawConnect, the free, secure file sharing portal where law firms using Leap and their clients collaborate quickly and safely, all while maximizing their privacy and efficiency. Clarissa clicks Time and Send to both send the email and also to record the time she spent creating the email. Finally, Clarissa uses the timesheet to start a timer while she prepares the request for e-signature on the fee agreement. Notice, the timesheet includes all of Clarissa's other time, including the automated time entries associated with the fee agreement and welcome email. Eventually, Attorney Nichols will need to prepare the required court forms for Sally's situation. Leap maintains a library of thousands of jurisdiction-specific court forms, including the forms for a contested divorce in New York. Clarissa clicks to open each of the court forms she needs. The information Sally entered during intake pre-fills the forms, so Clarissa can spend time using her education, training, and experience to review the forms, rather than waste time retyping the same information multiple times. Once she prepares the forms, she uses the simple Combine PDF feature in Leap to create a single PDF to share with her client, Sally. Sally has already set up Law Connect, so she is familiar with using it when she receives the notification that Clarissa has shared a document with her. Sally needs to use her computer to access the document this time, but Law Connect still protects her privacy. And here's how. She will use her unique login credentials to access the document in a secure portal powered by AWS, the cloud data platform used by the world's largest companies with 99.99% uptime. But instead of downloading the document with her court forms to her computer, whether to read or print, Sally can avoid that. Law Connect allows her to make comments directly on the document Clarissa shared with her. Sally can make comments or ask questions. Clarissa can respond. No downloads, so no file trail for Sally's husband Paul to find. Law Connect offers the kind of online collaboration 21st century law firms and clients expect. Law Connect provides Sally with the privacy features she needs to protect her interests. Law Connect allows Clarissa and SRM Law to keep Sally's case moving. And at this point, now the forms are ready to file. InfoTrack integrates with Leap to automate key e-filing tasks. InfoTrack is free to access and offers per transaction fees, so you only pay for the services you need. To better understand how InfoTrack works, let's consider what court e-filing looks like in a plurality of states in the U.S. Many states now offer a standard process for electronically filing civil cases. While the exact systems used may vary, the standard model employed in a plurality of U.S. states is a three-part open e-filing system. First, each court's clerk's office has a case management system. Then, second, there is a regional or statewide e-filing manager, which provides the access needed to e-file cases into the clerk's case management system. And finally, third, there are e-filing service providers, or what we will call EFSPs. These EFSPs connect a particular law firm's case management system to the regional or statewide e-filing manager. This structure allows some vendors to provide professional features catering to the needs of higher volume filers like law firms, while others provide more basic functions for free, ensuring broad access to justice. States are very serious about who they partner with to serve their residents, so EFSPs that want to provide e-filing services must meet specific criteria. They must be capable of securely storing attorney work product behind a secure login, and they must also be able to file into the state or region's e-filing system. EFSPs like InfoTrack, which are designed for law firm users, are often capable of much more. Typical professional EFSP features include electronic service of process, document conversion, the ability to add physical service of process, the ability to add paper court filing delivery where required, live customer support with longer hours, and the ability to file cases in multiple states. But InfoTrack can do more. Let's consider how InfoTrack works with Leap. By harnessing practice management system data in Leap, integrated EFSPs like InfoTrack can add capabilities that are not possible through EFSPs that depend on manual data entry. These include direct file uploads from Leap to the court's e-filing system, automatic cost recoveries saved to Leap, court documents synced down to Leap, e-signature management, and court docket information synced down to Leap. Using InfoTrack with your Leap matter allows you to order a wide variety of litigation services, with itemized cost recoveries automatically added to Leap, so they can automatically appear on the next invoice. Let's consider how all of this works as Clarissa continues to assist Sally with her contested matrimonial matter in New York. SRM Law started using InfoTrack when they started using Leap because these programs were designed to work together. Using Leap and InfoTrack allows Clarissa and her colleagues to continue maintaining their clients' information in one place. Rather than exporting court forms to their computer and navigating the different layouts of each court's e-filing portal, they file documents directly from Leap with InfoTrack the same way every time. InfoTrack is a matter-based integration, so Clarissa opens InfoTrack directly from the Leap Matter Details and Correspondence tab. On the InfoTrack home screen, Clarissa has a variety of tools at her fingertips. She can request e-signatures on documents in Leap, import information from Leap to complete Form 1099-S, which is required for real estate transactions. She can search corporations databases maintained by secretaries of state across the U.S., and she can electronically file cases and request service of process. Clarissa is ready to file Sally Penfold's court forms to begin a contested matrimonial proceeding against her husband, Paul Penfold. Under File and Serve, Clarissa selects New York. She could search her client's name to make sure the case was not already filed. Otherwise, Clarissa will click Create Case. The Leap Matter number automatically appears. Clarissa selects the correct court location and case type and reviews the details from Leap that populate the court's required fields. Clarissa can then easily upload the correct pleadings directly from Leap. Before validating the filing fees, Clarissa chooses to activate Docket Sync so that new information filed with the court and relevant to her case can be automatically updated in Leap. Clarissa now validates her fees, and then Clarissa enters her payment information and reviews the fees associated with e-filing Sally's contested matrimonial matter with the New York Supreme Court. When she's ready, she clicks Submit. As you know, e-filing does not a completed matter make. After e-filing, the docket is live and needs to be managed. InfoTrack helps with two important parts of docket management. First, responses from the court. They accept filings, approve motions, or send various other confirmations and case updates. Firms have to make sure this correspondence and accompanying documents are filed in the right place. They have to make sure deadlines are followed, and they have to confirm that subsequent actions are taken, including requesting service of process when it's required. Second, in addition to managing the court's responses, there are e-filing, service of process, and transaction processing expenses to record in the client's account. First, let's consider how Leap with InfoTrack helps manage responses from the court. E-filers will receive an email notice from the clerk's office or the filing system itself when a court-endorsed copy of their filing is available. You'll download the copy, then upload it to your case management system. Fortunately, Leap users with InfoTrack like Clarissa can skip this process entirely. With InfoTrack, once a document has been accepted by the court, it is automatically added to the Leap matter. There's no delay or risk of missing a critical email. The process simply moves forward. Service of process may be requested if it is required in your particular case. Electronic filing service providers like InfoTrack allow law firms to place service of process orders in the same place where they manage the rest of their e-filing tasks. Although InfoTrack may not always use your preferred local service of process vendor, ordering in the same platform has key advantages that can make the overall process more efficient. First, by simplifying data management. So you enter data once into one system, and then you use it throughout the case. And second, by simplifying billing, because service fees are automatically saved to the Leap matter and can appear on your next invoice. But cases continue to change after service of process. For this reason, InfoTrack offers Docket Sync so attorneys like Clarissa always have the most up-to-date information in Leap. Docket Sync is $10 per month per active case for daily case updates. This means that since this charge is based on activity, this fee is automatically waived if there are no updates to a Docket Sync case for 30 days. Overall, Docket Sync keeps you updated so you can spend time on other important tasks. Here's how Docket Sync works. Docket Sync will check the court's docket daily for changes to your case. If a change is identified, Docket Sync will send any new documents to the Leap matter. Docket Sync also allows firms with Leap who are representing non-initiating parties to use information from the docket to complete the Leap matter. For example, the law firm representing Paul Penfold, the defendant in our case, could use Docket Sync to complete the tables in their Leap matter instead of manually entering this information. This ensures law firms have accurate case details, documents, and party information. It also means that Clarissa, or a paralegal at SRM Law, now has more time to focus on other tasks. But the automation does not end there. In the same way InfoTrack with Docket Sync automates case updates so information is added to Leap, InfoTrack also automates all expense recoveries so that every fee is automatically recorded in the Leap matter. Let's take a look at how this works. There are a variety of expenses you may encounter during e-filing. These include court filing fees incurred when a new case is filed initially, but some courts also require fees for subsequent filings, like an accounting for an estate or trust administration. There may also be fees for service of process, and then there are also payment processing fees charged by courts, e-filing managers, and e-filing service providers, or EFSPs. InfoTrack uses flat per transaction fees so you can recover each electronic filing-related expense. And when you use Leap with InfoTrack, these flat itemizable fees are automatically saved to Leap. This is a very important point. You're more efficient when every transaction in InfoTrack is automatically saved to the Leap matter and can be included in the next invoice. So you did one thing, you e-filed your client's case, but you accomplished two things, meaning the act of e-filing automatically updated your client's account. So it is always accurate and no expenses are ever missing. This has clear benefits. Clients like Sally experience the responsive service they expect with clear, detailed invoices. SRM Law and attorneys like Clarissa can avoid creating manual expense recoveries. Not only does this save time, but it keeps her mind clear, so she can be truly present and focused on the complicated substantive and procedural rules her clients pay her to help them navigate. At this point in Sally's case, we have efficiently managed the e-filing process and handled post-filing administrative tasks. But we're not done. The model rules of professional conduct in most jurisdictions require prompt communication from lawyers. This is Rule 1.4 in New York's rules. When law firms like SRM Law use Leap and InfoTrack, they begin meeting this obligation by using tools that ensure they have quick access to accurate information about their clients' cases. This means attorneys like Clarissa will have everything they need in Leap to keep clients like Sally updated. Remember Law Connect, the secure file sharing portal that comes free with Leap? Well, as cases move forward, Clarissa may need to request that Sally or others share information with her. No problem. Law firms can share information with their clients, but clients and others can also use Law Connect to upload their sensitive documents. While Law Connect is perfect for sharing sensitive information quickly, it is also a convenient way to share larger files, so firms, clients, and third parties can avoid complicated zip files or shipping delays and costs. And while there is a per document file size limit of 1 gigabyte with Law Connect, that is a very, very large text file, much larger than most documents law firms and clients exchange. And in addition to Law Connect and InfoTrack, when law firms use Leap with Bundle Pro, they can quickly prepare larger document packets, or bundles. For example, this helps when you are responding to discovery requests, preparing record appendices, or finalizing joint exhibits. Here's how Bundle Pro works. Bundle Pro pulls documents directly from Leap, so you avoid the never-ending process of uploading and downloading documents to your computer and then to other apps. Remember, you used Law Connect to solicit documents from others, including opposing parties, so their documents are in Leap and ready to be used with Bundle Pro. Bundle Pro also automates all the last-minute changes that happen when you are preparing this kind of document. So, as you add, subtract, and otherwise change the pages in the document bundle, Bundle Pro automatically updates page numbers and tables of contents. Bundle Pro also provides optical character recognition, or OCR, which many courts now require. And finally, Bundle Pro's per bundle fee is automatically recorded in the Leap Matter, just like with InfoTrack. There are many other customizations in Bundle Pro to meet your particular needs, but overall, Bundle Pro is a perfect complement to Leap and InfoTrack because it allows firms to continue managing client information in one place throughout the entire case. In addition to communication, Clarissa is also responsible to keep a current and accurate account of any funds Sally has given her, such as in the form of a retainer. And Clarissa should also provide Sally with clear invoices. Let's take a look at the Operating Account tab and the Expense Recoveries subtab. We showed you an example invoice earlier, so what we're looking at here is the operating account before that invoice was sent. We see all of the expenses we said would automatically appear. Court and e-filing transaction expenses, service of process expenses, docket sync expenses, and Bundle Pro expenses. And if we go to the Time and Fees tab of Sally's Leap Matter, all of the time entries are also there. Some were automatically entered when Clarissa used the Time Save and Close button to save a Word document, or she used the Time and Send button to send an email. Some entries were created with the Leap timesheet, which Clarissa keeps open on her desktop all day long. And still other entries were created while Clarissa was away from her computer, like when she placed a FaceTime call to Sally from the Leap mobile app on her phone, which automatically recorded a time entry. Or when Clarissa used the Leap mobile app timer to record her travel time to Sally's hearing. Sally can then click to pay online, and Clarissa or her billing department clicks to reconcile the payment with the invoice. No paper checks to manually process or drive to the bank to deposit. Clarissa avoided printing invoices, stuffing envelopes, preparing postage, and waiting for her invoice to travel through the mail. Sally could pay her legal bill as quickly and easily, and in the exact same way, she pays all of her other bills, online, with a credit card. SRM Law's cash flow increased. Profits are measured in time, so faster payments makes firms more money. At the beginning of this webinar, we promised to demonstrate how Leap and InfoTrack work together to streamline complicated, time-consuming manual tasks relevant to e-filing. We told this story in the context of Sally Penfold's contested matrimonial proceeding in New York, and we saw how Clarissa and SRM Law used information in Leap to manage every stage of the case. But the one remaining difference between today's webinar and the real world is that attorney Clarissa Nichols has multiple clients like Sally. Providing one client with responsive legal services with accessible online tools is a big win. It really is. But using a platform of products and services that puts everything you need to run your law firm in one place also means you have built-in workflows to reliably help every client at your firm, and your team has one place to do their shared work. They spend time doing income-producing activities rather than wasting time looking for it in multiple systems. In other words, if the work is exponential and Clarissa has more clients than just Sally, then the value of putting everything in one place is also exponential. If you have questions about Leap, go to www.leap.us/demonstration. If you have questions about InfoTrack, go to www.infotrack.com/demo-request. Thank you very much for joining us, and have a great day.